By using the Matoha app, you can sort waste efficiently, add traceability and data streams to your sorting, and gain further insights into your samples. Stay connected to your instruments in the app by viewing the results and spectra of your measurements. Organize and keep track of your data by creating collections. Save time and quickly save your samples by using our Autosave function. Enhance your sorting process by editing your materials based on what you expect in your waste stream. Analyze large amounts of data by viewing statistics collected from several devices on your account or by accessing our data API. To learn more about the functions of the app, please watch our tutorial videos. For any questions, send us an email at hello@matoha.com.